Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Halloween or Thanksgiving, it could be like really either I guess, of this M&M's paper squishy, which I'll show on the screen. And this is super simple and easy, so if you want to learn how to make this, then make sure to keep on watching. Anyways, let's just get on with this video. To start, I will be showing you guys all of the materials you will be needing for this DIY. And the first material you will need is some toy stuffing. The second thing you will need is a pair of scissors. Third thing you will be needing is any coloring material. I'll be using markers. Fourth thing you'll be needing is one piece of paper. Last thing you'll be needing is some tape. And once you got all your materials, you're ready to start this craft. And start off by taking a paper and fold it in half just so it looks like this. And with your folded piece of paper, on the front of it or the back, there's technically no specific front or back, you're going to draw your design. And the design you can find on Google and just copy it, or you could just copy mine off this video. Here's a time lapse of me coloring this. Finished drawing, and let me know how you think it turned out. But anyways, for this next step, it is to color the back, and you can do this if you want, but you actually don't have to. So if you want to skip this step, you totally can. Coloring the back side of it, and you can do the same thing if you'd like. So there that is. And now the next step is to cover your whole design front and back in packing tape, or you can use like normal Scotch tape you find at the store. Now that you've got both sides taped up, you're ready to tape up the sides. So you're just going to cover the sides 1 and 2 with tape, and then this bottom one is already sealed, but you are going to leave this one open, but you can like tape it halfway. Now that you have one hole left open, it's time to stuff. So you're just going to simply put the stuffing inside the hole. Now that you're basically done, all you have to do is tape the hole where you stuffed it shut with tape. And after stuffing, you're completely done. So here's my finished product. And you should have something similar if you do the same design. And here's how it squishes. It's super nice actually. And I taped it like a little too good, so I had to cut some holes so some air could go through, so it wouldn't like not squish at all. So if yours isn't squishing, then I suggest trying to poke some holes or just like cutting a little bit off like I did. So there's the squishy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!